Previously on Eat Like an Apex.
We are on a road trip to Southern California yet again, and I think the plan for tonight is to check out a place called Avenue 26 Tacos, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. And nature, she said it's nature. Oh yeah, so you kind of just get in line here, and he's already preparing the food here. For here, I'm gonna eat outside here. Yeah. So as you can see here, it's just I kind of loaded it up. This is the manager here. I got you. That looks really pretty. Good morning, everybody. It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. This morning we're here in Hollywood, California. We're gonna check out a few things in Hollywood Boulevard, a few sites here in the Southern California location. This morning's kind of breakfast time right now, so we're gonna go ahead and enjoy the bed and breakfast that they have here this morning. It's about 7:30. Breakfast is ready, and my appetite is already ready for this Southern California food tour day 2 trip. With that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, find time to subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate that. And I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. You know you're in Hollywood when they have wax figures of people in the hotel rooms. Okay, so we're here having the breakfast. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of coffee. Yeah. And then I have the eggs, bacon, and sausage. The eggs are really good. It's like perfectly cooked scrambled eggs. Something like a Gordon Ramsay would make. Nice and fluffy. Probably added some cream on here too to give it some more of the more smoothness, more creaminess in the eggs. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. Want some? Add some pepper. And then some salt. Another bite of that. Ooh. Those are some spectacular eggs. Oh, so good. Let me chase that with a piece of sausage now. Oh, what's up with that cough? Sausage. Well, that's a really nice thick sausage, actually. Yeah.
Potato.
Oh yeah, that's a nice sausage. And some bacon too.
Where did you get bacon?
Oh, that bacon is nice and crispy. Oh man, can't go wrong with bacon unless you really burn it. And this one's very crispy, not very greasy. Oh, it's perfect actually. Chase that with some eggs. How are you doing, Sappy? I'm gonna go ahead and try that waffle.
A huge waffle.
Because it's kind of made the waffle inside the waffle maker. They have a little waffle maker over here. Nice Belgian waffle. And it's huge, it is. And it's kind of, I put a lot of syrup in because I like mine sweet. It's kind of soaking into the waffle. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite right now before it gets drenched. It's a nice fluffy, crispy Belgian waffle. Some people don't do a lot of syrup, and I tend to do a lot of syrup in mine.
Because you're an apex. That's so huge, I need to cut it. Okay, that is so huge.
Another bite of the waffle. Should be dessert, but like I said, I wanted to get the waffle now before all that syrup soaks into it, and it really is kind of soaking into it, which is okay with me. Oh yeah. Hello. Very good. Hello. the owner here, the manager. Nice to meet you. Very delicious. Last time we had this omelet here that the cook made for me. He asked me what I wanted, and I kind of just said everything. So there was some mushrooms, some bell peppers, some tomatoes, some onions. Let's give this a bite now. Now here's a nice slice. Oh, that was really good. Completely different texture from the scrambled eggs. The scrum rug, like I said before, really fluffy, really creamy. This one right here has more texture, more hearty, kind of spongy too. Pan fried with all those different ingredients inside the omelet. A loaded omelet, that's for sure. And maybe some cheese on it too. Yeah, oh, it's so good. Alright, I'm gonna finish up this food here. Catch you guys in a bit.
Keep it chill.
Make some movements. You can create artwork based on your movements.
Oh, let's check it out, huh?
It's a lot of fun.
Check it out.
Yeah, go ahead, enjoy, have fun, you guys.
Thanks.
Have fun, guys.
Whoa, what are we walking into? Whoa. We're at the Samsung store. I don't have Samsung, but they said come inside and take a look at the Samsung Equip. Looks really cool. Yeah, wanna try? Happy's kind of playing the game right now. Hey, real quick, we're just kind of walking around here in Hollywood, checking out a few things that's going on. Don't really have an exact plan, but just kind of walk around, see a few sites, like this place here at Samsung, and keep walking around.
Like, this is actually Disneyland.
All of the stars real quick.
Okay, this is Papa and his beautiful princess from Bay Area. Sapphire, beautiful name. This is Daddy and Sapphire.
Nice. Hello.
Hi, Sapphire.
So really cool, man. We're at the stars where the actors and actresses, they have their star plate there. Oh, Savvy got to meet Spider-Man. That was really cool. Hey, it's Matt Damon. Matt Damon. Says this is the TCL Chinese Theater. You don't want it? So I'm here with Vin Diesel. Vin Diesel, how do you like Hollywood? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, how's it going, everybody? Hey, we went towards it's called the Griffith Observatory. We were trying to kind of get a glimpse of the Hollywood sign from that location, but unfortunately it's just too packed to park in there, and we had to drive down the hill just to find some parking. However, I did get a chance to fly my drone around this area where I was able to take off and fly and capture some of the images of the observatory and the Hollywood sign from what I wanted to see in the first place. Fortunately, although we aren't there directly at the observatory, I probably wouldn't be able to take off from there, nor the Hollywood sign. So we're kind of like in a key location where I was able to take off and capture that footage for you. But right away, as I got closer to the sign, I got a no-fly zone warning. But hey, I got the capture. Like I said, we're still here in Hollywood. Sappy's right there. Might walk a little bit.
And I'm just sticking my head out.
Whew. Okay, so we actually decided to walk, well, me and Safi, that is, we decided to walk to the observatory. It might like be a 1.5 mile walk. You can see here, there's people kind of walking up there to that building there. We are just about right over here. We kind of have a ways away to walk. Yeah, we're just gonna truck it and stay safe at the same time. Alrighty. Nature walk, right? Alright, we're taking a quick little break. Kind of almost there, but Safi needs a break.
Daddy, this is the top of the mountain.
So we made it to the Griffith Observatory. Not really sure exactly what's happening, what goes on inside here. I mean, as you can see here, there's all kinds of, I mean, it's packed, and it's like a Thursday too, so. Alright, so there's a better view of the Hollywood sign, kind of. Right over there, right there. It's the Hollywood sign. And it's up here. How do you feel, Safi?
Good.
So good. All right.
Let's go, please.
Okay. Oh yeah. Kind of checking out this place here. I think it's the Griffith Observatory is a spot where you can get some tremendous views. You can see the Hollywood sign from this. Actually, matter of fact, from my position, you can see it right over here. That's the Hollywood sign. Let me, if I can zoom in a little bit. Might be a little bit too blurry. Oh, there it goes. See that? If you're looking for some nice sights, the Griffith Observatory is a perfect spot for you to take a look. But we're on the upper level. This is the courtyard here. Little monument right there. Since we're here, I want to kind of take a look at what's inside of this observatory. See the inner cross section. Okay, so this is a place where you can get your information on planetary discovery, astrology, yeah, the stars. There's all kinds of amazing looking things out here.
The Hollywood Southern California series video. Peace out, one love, like, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing.